Alright guys, today we're going to do a quick tutorial. This is how to clean your Microtech OTF knives straight from Microtech. All you're supposed to do is, wipe down the blade if any debris is already on there, and take a little bit of rim oil. Not the compressed stuff, and you really just need a little bit in one of those little needle applicators. I don't have one right now, but I'm gonna get one. But for now, I think I can get away with just dropping a tiny amount of, just one drop. Close this guy so I won't spill it. I'm going to retract the blade, and then you take a little electronics duster. You just spray it down. Remember, this model and the newer Gen 3s, the full-size ones, they're actually open down here at the bottom of the aluminum handle, and you're supposed to be able to just take the duster, spray down here, hopefully any crud that was on the blade on the bottom of the handle gets blown out. I'm gonna wipe it down. I'm gonna wipe down the blade real good, make sure there's no residual oil on there, because that could make it misfire on its own if it's too much oil. But I don't know, seems to be working. Right, wipe any excess off, wipe any excess from the bottom. And then I'm just gonna re-blow it again. I'm gonna put the handle against the little rags I have right here. Looks good. A little bit of residual down here. One more of the blade. And I think we're good. So straight from Microtech, they say they use Remington rim oil, not the Pro, not the can. Just this kind right here, the regular rim oil, at the factory when they are doing the final assembly of the knives before they get shipped out. It leaves a good, I want to say like, not Teflon, but I forget what's the name of it, but like a little residual on the blade, on the metal itself, to try to help to protect it and to keep lubricating the mechanism and the action. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you.